Subscribe or the Texan Knight is coming for you!
You heard the Knight. Subscribe. Hello and welcome back to my channel with the world's worst player, me! It has been a super rainy day. It was pouring down, and of course the best footage I had of the day for some reason went into time-lapse. Here's another game that we had the same day, and it came out somewhat entertaining, called Capture the Flags. Captain and I, we were on blue team, our respawn was the refinery, and we had white team respawning at building 42. Our mission was to go to building 16, get our flag, which was basically just a glowing blue stick, and then bring it all the way up to Chop Shop. White team had to do exactly the opposite. The flags are being placed by the reps, and it's only one flag at a time. Whatever team captures 3 flags and brings them safely to their designated area wins.
I'm Denny DeVito.
Keep going, guys, keep going! Reloading! Reloading!
Hey, that flag? Alright, we're running back.
Reloading! Reloading!
The fact that they're not even...
Alright, it is confirmed. We'll have
Okay, you're shooting well. Aim up.
They're not even calling their hit. Damn it, reloading. Somebody behind 16. We got somebody behind building 16. You see him?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm reloading them.
You got it. I'm up.
Dead? They're not moving. I know, they're not talking. Alright, take this out. Ready?
Damn it. Reloading.
Alright, I don't know if it's shooting, so I'm gonna need you to test it right here. Ready? No, I'm doing that. Okay, wait, they're dead, they're dead.
Seems like all of them are dead. Yep.
Vietnam, keep us covered.
You got it. Looking good so far. Just watch the bush north of you. Enemy incoming! 11 o'clock! 2 of them! 3 of them! 1 enemy behind building 18! Yeah, we got 3 contacts right there, 50, 60 yards. In the tree line, and 1 behind building 18. Watch out, Raven! 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock!
Alright, the blue team has taken another flag.
Raven, you got friendlies on your right. Do not shoot. Enemy tree line, 100 yards.
Right here you can see me do my magazine management. So basically all full mags, I'm placing them to my left for easier reloads, and all the empty ones, I'm placing them on my right hand side.
Raven, watch your left. There's somebody in there. I don't know if it's friendly. Solotron.
Yeah, it's a respawn.
There's another guy. Oh! You got it. You got it. I'm out of here. Here, 12 o'clock. Just watch out. Don't get hit.
Y'all got this?
Yep.
Hey, there's FPS in the corner.
Got it. Hey, White, don't shoot. All good.
Oh, I got the last one. Push it. I mean, we won.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.